ऐसा ही कुछ डाइट है, वेरी वेरी डिलिशियस, माई लीस्ट फेवरेट फ्रॉम दिस चैलेंज. दिस चैलेंज वॉज अ सक्सेस. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and I'm taking you through my 10-day per day fat loss challenge. Now tell me, आप लोग रिलेट करते हो कि नहीं, बट किसी इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट के पहले या बर्थडे के पहले ऐसे एक बत्ती जल जाती है, यार आई नीड टू गेट fitter, I need to be a little more serious and I'm going to lose weight just before my birthday. बस वही कुछ हुआ था मेरे साथ भी. हर साल होता है और पहले भी मैं ये सब कर चुकी हूँ. मतलब I take up like a workout challenge or something or the other, but this time I have a nutritionist on board. You guys know that I have been taking my meals from Chitwan and she actually helped me lose about 5 kg in 2 months. And मैंने उसकी पूरी एक लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो भी बनाई है which you guys absolutely loved. उससे मैंने क्या खाया है क्या नहीं खाया सब कुछ बताया and उससे मेरा फैट लॉस तो हुआ ही, बट देन ऑल्सो माई ओवरऑल हेल्थ इम्प्रूव्ड. मेरी हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल्स बढ़ गए एंड देन आई ऑल्सो वॉज लाइक प्री डायबिटिक, जिससे मैं नॉन डायबिटिक हो गई. एंड आई थॉट कि अब मेरे पास चितवन है, समवन हु इज अ प्रोफेशनल, समवन हु अंडरस्टैंड्स माई ईटिंग पैटर्न, स्लीपिंग पैटर्न, माई फूड प्रेफरेंसेज, माई बॉडी एंड एवरीथिंग. शी विल बी एबल टू गाइड मी. आई कैन डू समथिंग दैट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक अ चैलेंज बट ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट इज हेल्दी, अनलाइक लाइक अदर डाइट्स ऑन द इंटरनेट लाइक कीटो एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. ये मेरे को ऐसे था कि यार मुझे प्रॉपरली करना है, सो आई asked her to help me out. सबसे पहले she got on a call with me, she understood what my goals were and मुझे ऐसा था कि यार चितवन 10 दिन में I want to obviously lose a little more kilos on the weighing scale so that I can enjoy my birthday cake and all of my birthday meals without guilt. अब मैंने in the past weight loss किया है बट मैं उसके बाद ना थोड़ी अनसीरियस हो गई थी. मतलब ईद थी, फिर दुबई ट्रिप गए तो मेरी थोड़ी कैलोरीज बढ़ गई, मेरा वेट भी ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा हो गया था. I was not that serious after I completed the challenge and I was like I need to get serious at least right before my birthday. She understood everything and she gave me like a proper plan of what I need to eat and she suggested that I do like a monotrophic diet, which basically means that you eat the same thing every day. This is a very popular diet among celebrities. Anushka Sharma has actually spoken in an interview कि वो literally हर दिन same चीज़ खाती है and that helps keeping you in like a specific calorie deficit and also helps you manage your weight. So ऐसा ही कुछ डाइट है जिसमें मुझे सुबह से लेके रात तक सेम चीज़ खानी है for 10 days. So after like a really in-depth interview and like question answer round with my nutritionist Chitwan, she suggested and she's made like a really nice plan for me that I will take you guys through now. Before I start the challenge, I need to know what I am starting with. My nutritionist makes sure that I have all of these things in place. So number one, we need to weigh ourselves on the weighing scale. I am currently at 69 kilos, which is about 500 grams more than the last time I left this whole clean eating situation. There has been a lot of cheating, but it's okay. It's not that bad either. Number two, this is what I look like. Here's a before picture right now. And number three, I also measure myself क्योंकि कभी कभी वेइंग स्केल पे नहीं दिखाता है बट इंचेस में लॉस होता है. तो मेरी अपर वेस्ट, लोअर वेस्ट और हिप्स को मैंने मेजर कर लिया है. एंड नाउ दैट वी हैव एवरीथिंग सॉर्टेड, लेट्स एक्चुअली स्टार्ट द चैलेंज. Okay, I think ignore how I look, but I just woke up and the first thing that I need to drink or eat has to be this de-bloat drink. Before wasting any time, let me show you इसको बनाते कैसे हैं. To make this de-bloat drink, you'll need 5 simple ingredients: ginger, chia seeds, fennel seeds, lemon and honey. Grind the ginger with water and then strain it. And to this ginger water, you'll have to add lemon juice, chia seeds, fennel seeds, honey and mix it all together. I make a batch in advance, so I pour it into an ice tray and freeze for a couple of hours until cubes form. Every morning, I drop 2 cubes into hot water and drink it first thing. And this helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, acts as a natural detox and keeps your gut happy. It basically tastes like lemon water. उसके अंदर जिंजर डाल दिया है, but it has जीरा and everything. चिया सीड जो नीचे रह जाता है तो उसको मुझे स्पून से पीना पड़ता है. I do like the taste. I mean, it's really not that bad. And if I have to be honest, it really helps. Like with digestion, this is really good. Plus the fact that it has chia seeds, so it will hydrate my body. No brainer. I hate chewing first thing in the morning. Like I hate it. ठीक है, करना पड़ता है अभी. इसके बाद breakfast है and I will see you in a bit. अब About 1 hour later, after having my de-bloat drink, I am supposed to have my breakfast, and I'm so sad that it does not involve my chai and roti. मेरा बचपन का वो मील है सुबह चाय और रोटी खाना, but थोड़ा give up करना पड़ेगा because Chitwan has told me to have 2 boiled egg whites only along with 1 apple, and इसमें भी I can't have fruits like banana and stuff because those are high calorie fruits. उसके साथ मैंने उसको बोला यार मुझे कुछ तो चाहिए for that kick because then I can't function. So she told me that I could have black coffee, that too without sugar or anything, and yeah, that's what my breakfast looks like. Okay, so post a very light breakfast, about 2.5 hours later, I'm allowed to have a snack, and no, it's not like a sandwich or like a bagel, but this veggie juice. It looks very pretty and it's slightly different from the one that I was having in the past, so let's see how you make it. For this veggie juice, you need carrot, beetroot, bottle gourd, gooseberry, pinch of salt and glass of water. Dice everything into small pieces, add to a blender, and this acts as a natural hemoglobin booster. Once blended, strain and consume within 2 to 4 hours for maximum freshness and nutrition. I actually kind of like this better than the other one. It's more bland. समझ नहीं आता है, लगता है कि बीटरूट और पानी के साथ थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के पी रहे हो. This is bearable. Kind of like it more. So yeah, this is my second meal of the day. So after the veggie juice, my 4 p.m. snack is basically fruits. It has to be fruits that have lesser calories. For example, apple or pomegranate or like dragon fruit, pear, but not fruits like banana, chiku, mango, because उनमें calories ज़्यादा होती है. So I think the point of this is that you actually feel a lot more fuller. You don't feel like you've eaten less throughout the day because your meals are anyway like very low in calories. So I kind of rotate between papaya, dragon fruit, आज pomegranate है. As much as I hate eating fruits, I'm eating a fruit twice a day for this challenge. This better give me results. Already dreaming of lunch. After all the snacks, it's finally time for my most favorite meal. मैं literally रात से इस meal का wait करती हूँ. It is lunch where I have this huge plate and it looks very colorful. It's very, very delicious. All of these quantities are kind of measured to make this rice, veggie, chicken bowl, and here's how you make it. To make this wholesome chicken and rice bowl, start with chicken marination using curd, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, pinch of turmeric, jeera powder, salt, and half a lemon. Mix everything together and a little bit of olive oil to coat your chicken breast and let it marinate and sit at least for 30 minutes. Now shallow fry it with a little bit of oil. Cook without the lid first about 5 minutes on each side and then cook for 2 minutes until tender. Later soak 30 grams rice in water for 30 minutes. Boil it with salt, lemon and some oil, and to this cooked rice add some soy sauce, pinch of black pepper, and then stir fry this rice in a pan with a touch of olive oil to get that smoky effect. Now for the veggies, take your favorites. I prefer corn, bell peppers, broccoli, purple cabbage. We boil everything in salt water and then add this to the pan with some olive oil and garlic. You need to saute these veggies with some salt and black pepper and stir fry on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. We also add our cooked chicken in the same pan so that everything sits together and grills for a while. Finally, plate everything and this bowl gives you high quality protein, fiber rich veggies and balanced carbs. I feel like this is genuinely such a cool hack because if you're gonna pair chicken with veggies and just add a little bit of rice, you actually are also having carbs. You're also having so much protein and fiber भी है, and ऐसे लगता नहीं है कि यार you're missing out on like roti या चावल. So I think this genuinely is my favorite meal and it's so tasty. It's so light and generally even after having this huge plate, I don't feel heavy at all. Safe to say that I'm not bored of this dish yet. Okay, so after lunch and about like 2 hours later before my gym, Chitwan has told me to have green tea and some almonds. These I soak overnight. These are like basically 5 almonds in total, and this is a chamomile mint citrus tea from Vadam. I mean, I need something before I hit the gym, so the green tea helps and these almonds too. Next, dinner I have about 10:30ish, 11. That's what my regular time is. It could be super late for a lot of people, but that's what works for me. And I'm supposed to actually have this bowl of soup right here. It's actually like a creamy cauliflower soup, and it's my least favorite from this challenge because I don't enjoy soups. But genuinely, whenever you want to kind of get in shape, you have to replace your dinners with soup and the whole process gets easier. That's what I do sometimes also when I want to like kind of get in shape quickly before an important event or something like that. And also paneer, this is 90 grams of paneer, ये भी measure करके full on marinated है. And this is basically what I'm supposed to eat, and let me show you how we make this. For this creamy cauliflower soup, you will need some cauliflower florets, garlic, onion, coriander, pinch of salt and one bay leaf. And then in a pan with some olive oil, add all of these ingredients, pour in a glass of water, cover and cook for about 10 minutes or just 2 whistles if you're doing this in a cooker. Once cooled down, remove the bay leaf and blend everything into a smooth puree. For the tempering, heat a little garlic paste with a drop of water and a pinch of red chili powder. Add the blended cauliflower mix, stir well and adjust the consistency with hot water if needed. Garnish with some coriander and serve hot. And then for the grilled paneer, prepare the marination with ginger garlic paste, chili oil, black pepper, salt, turmeric, red chili powder and lemon juice. Mix all of these together and then coat about 250 grams of homemade paneer in this. We personally keep it for about a week, and then whenever I'm ready to eat, I take out about 60 grams of this marinated paneer, shallow fry it with just some olive oil, 5 minutes each side until golden, and then place it over a bed of lettuce, and your smoky, spicy, zesty paneer alongside your creamy cauliflower soup is ready. So this paneer is actually made at home. My mom is killing it with everything that she makes at home these days. Paneer ghar pe bana rahe. She also makes Greek yogurt. So this is very tasty. This actually is the reason why I'm able to finish the soup, because otherwise I can't. I don't personally like soups at all. मुझे सिर्फ बीमारों का खाना लगता है. But soups are low in calorie. You can have as much quantity as possible, and it's great for fat loss. It's not feeling that bad considering कि अभी monsoon season भी है, तो थोड़ा सा ठंडा मौसम है तो अच्छा लगता है थोड़ा बहुत भी. It's literally my 4th day having the same soup. Hats off to you, Alfia. Wow, you have outdone yourself. जिसको सूप से सख्त नफरत है वो बंदी सेम सूप रोज पी रही है. But it's really good. It's not bad, of course. Anything my mom makes is never bad. So that was basically my diet, and I've shared all the recipes just in case you want to recreate anything. But before you try to follow it to the T, make sure that you consult a nutritionist. And if you don't know who to, I'm going to leave Chitwan's details in the description box below. So technically I kind of was eating the same thing for 10 days, और मुझे बोला गया था कि मुझे 3 लीटर पानी भी पीना है दिन में, which I was trying to do it. Sometimes I was not very serious also about it, and मैंने हर दिन ऑलमोस्ट वर्कआउट भी किया था. किसी दिन आई यूज्ड टू डू लाइक वेट्स, किसी दिन आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट डू लाइक स्टेप्स और कार्डियो. आई फील लाइक जेन्युइनली द फर्स्ट डे वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. मतलब आई फेल्ट सो लो ऑन एनर्जी बिकॉज मैं बहुत कम कैलोरीज खा रही थी, एंड आई वाज रियली क्रेविंग द किक. मतलब मुझे चाय की आदत है, तो मुझे ऐसा था कि यार मुझे मेरी चाय चाहिए, बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग अ हेडेक. बट फर्स्ट डे से सेकेंड डे बेटर था, एंड सो वाज द थर्ड डे. चौथे दिन तक मैं पक चुकी थी. लाइक आई वॉज सो डन, स्पेशली विथ माई डिनर, बिकॉज आई hate soups. But I was like, you have to do it, Alfia, like it needs to show on the scale. So I didn't mind like my lunch, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. But मेरे को डिनर में मैं रो के पनीर और सूप खा लेती थी. So I would say it was really not the easiest, but it was also not that bad. I feel like I was pretty much eating almost every other 2 hours. तो मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा भूख नहीं लग रही थी, बट या आई मीन वीकेंड्स पे लगता था यार चीट मील और whatever. But I think overall on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say this challenge was like 6 when it comes to how hard it was, but I don't think I would mind doing it again. Moment of truth, something that you guys have been waiting to know. Let's see how much did I lose and what was the difference.
The challenge is officially ended. 2 दिन है बस मेरे बर्थडे को, अब पता चल जाएगा मैंने क्या गुल खिलाया है. This was my before weight check-in and I decided to obviously do an empty weight check-in after. And oh my god, we are down 1.6 kilos in just 10 days. It is insane. बीच में मैंने थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ किया था, लाइक आई वुड टेस्ट दिस टेस्ट दैट, नॉट वर्क आउट. आई ऑल्सो फेल सिक बीच में एंड आई एम सो सरप्राइज. आई ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड टू मेजर माई सेल्फ, सो दिस इज माई बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ऑफ द मेजरमेंट्स एज वेल. ऑलमोस्ट 1 इंच हर जगह पे कम हो गया है, विच इज क्रेजी. आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई एम गोना लुक सो बॉम in my birthday dress. But yeah, this is the before and this is the after. I am so happy. This challenge was a success. This monotrophic diet, I literally thought that I wouldn't be able to because I want to eat new things every day. But एक point के बाद आदत लग जाती है and it's not that bad either. Oh, I'm so happy.
I know, I am shocked too. I mean, if I could get a little more fitter before my birthday, what more does a girl want? And I think all credit goes to my mom who makes the food for me and my nutritionist who guides me what to eat. She's improved my health so much. And if you have any queries, you can leave them in the comments down below. I'll kind of ask her to help me respond to those, but otherwise her details are in the description box for you. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.